The moment you hear the adhan, you stop eating. But there is a concession given by our beloved Prophet ﷺ. It's mentioned in a Sahih Hadith of Sunan Abu Dawud, volume number 2, in the book of fasting, Hadith number 2343, where the beloved Prophet said, and when you hear the adhan, and if you have drinking vessel in your hand, you are allowed to satisfy yourself from that vessel. That means our beloved Prophet has given a concession that while you're eating or drinking, something is in your hand, you can complete it. But that doesn't mean that if you have a big sandwich in your hand, that you complete it. If you have a bite left of that sandwich in your hand, and then you've had it, it's fine. Or when you're drinking a glass of water, and there is something left in it, you can have it. That doesn't mean you can go out of your way and touch your hand and pick up another glass of water and keep on have a big burger or a sandwich and keep on eating for a few minutes after the adhan started. And it's a misconception that you can eat till the end of the adhan. There's no hadith saying that. Because you start the adhan the moment the fajr prayer time starts. A moment it's the break of dawn, the adhan has to be given. The moment you hear the adhan, you have to stop eating.